Welcome, sacred soul. This is your time. A moment to step away from the noise and remember the quiet fire that lives within you. The fire that warms, inspires, creates. Find a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Let your body be supported by the earth beneath you. Close your eyes. Soften your face, your jaw, your shoulders. Let the breath begin to slow. Soft, easy, no effort. Let's take a few deep breaths together. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Release. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's take one more deep breath like this. Inhale. Feel space open in your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4. And exhale, letting go of any tightness. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, return to a natural rhythm of breath. Just observe it. Notice the rise and fall, the gentle wave. Feel your body being breathed. With each breath, imagine the earth below you warming, alive, fertile, humming with Beltane's energy. Feel roots extending from your body into the earth, anchoring you. You are grounded. You are supported. You are safe. Now gently bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Imagine a small spark glowing there. Golden, flickering, tender. This is your inner flame, the eternal ember of your passion, your creativity, your essence. With every inhale, see it glow a little brighter. With every exhale, feel it radiate through your body. Inhale, light. Exhale, warmth. Inhale, ignition. Exhale, release. This flame knows your truth. It remembers your dreams, even the ones you've hidden away. Beltane is a threshold, a season of blooming and boldness, of planting not only seeds in the earth, but in your spirit. Let the flame within you rise now. Let it illuminate what's already ready to awaken. Ask yourself softly in the silence, what am I ready to bloom into? Look whatever comes, words, colors, sensations, and watch them as they flow in. You might see yourself dancing wildly in a field, brushing color onto canvas, laughing with loved ones, standing tall in your purpose. Feel this version of you, vibrant, radiant, fully alive. Let them guide you. Let them walk beside you now. What does abundance feel like in your body? Where does your passion live? Is it in your belly, your hands, your throat? Breathe into these places. Let them come alive. Now, in your mind's eye, you're in a blooming spring meadow. Sunlight spills through the leaves above. You reach down and gather wildflowers, herbs, vines, symbols of your intention. Weave them gently into a crown, each stem representing something you're calling in. Creativity, confidence, love, abundance. Take your time. Let your heart choose. And when you're ready, place this crown upon your head. Feel the energy it carries, your power, your truth. Now, gently affirm, I am fertile with creation. I invite abundance. I honor the fire within. Let's say that together again. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. I am fertile with creation. I invite abundance. I honor the fire within. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now whisper once more from your heart. Let it echo through your whole body. Your fire is awake now. Let it settle into a steady glow, a guiding light you carry into the days ahead. Now, take a deep breath, cleansing breaths with me. Inhale inspiration. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale hesitation. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale vitality. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale fear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale joy. 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale doubt. 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in abundance. Breathe out limitation. And now, just rest in this inner warmth for a few moments. Feel the energy you've awakened. The path ahead may be unknown, but the fire within you knows the way. You are ready. You are radiant. You are rising. And when you feel called, begin to come back to your body. Feel your breath again, the support beneath you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Begin to bring gentle movement back in. Take a big stretch. Arms above your head if it feels good. Roll your shoulders, move your jaw. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. You are here. You are now. And you are magic. Carry this fire with you. Let it light your path.